The ECOMAXci CI wall solution is an ABAA certified air and water resistive barrier that provides polyiso continuous insulation, eliminates thermal bridging through the studs, and can remove the need for unnecessary exterior gypsum or spray applied air barriers in an NFPA 285 approved assembly. In addition to 20 to 30% material and labor savings, ECOMAXci CI eliminates approximately 50% of the negative environmental impact by removing unnecessary gypsum and spray-applied air barriers. With the reinforced aluminum foil facers, ECOMAXci CI offers enhanced durability on a system that provides warranty protection for exposure, thermal, and water-resistive performance. ECOMAXci CI, the next generation air and water resistive barrier from Rmax, a division of the Sika Corporation.